Ever had trouble starting a paper or article because your thoughts are all over the place? Whether it's for research or everyday writing, we've all been there. Take Alex, a sociology grad student who's struggling with designing his thesis. Suddenly, an idea clicks. Alex wants to study the impact of social media on teenagers' cognition. But where does he even begin? With Pop AI's flowchart feature, he can transform this idea into a clear research plan. Let's input his idea and get started. Pop AI will use its network to gather and organize resources, creating a clear outline for you. It includes an overview, key points, and relevant research. Then, a clear, comprehensive flowchart on the topic appears right before your eyes. Worried about the authority of the article? No problem. Pop AI also provides the sources of related research, and you can click the links to explore them. If you're not happy with the results, just click to regenerate. You can also share it with teammates for a quick preview. Once satisfied, save it to your notes. Got content but unsure how to organize it? Pop AI will analyze it, identify key connections, extract important points, and create a clear, structured flowchart. Finally, it will summarize everything in a few sentences. Academic research has never been easier. Join Alex and try Pop AI.